Hey, what's up guys, this is BMB and yet again a new tutorial. As you saw in the intro of this video, today's project is about how to make an Arduino CNC plotter machine, or what you can call a drawing machine. As usual, this step-by-step tutorial will be the ultimate guide for you guys to try this project. For sure, some basics of electronics knowledge required out there, but do not hesitate to try it because it's an amazing one, and we start with some project details. I found many tutorials across the web that explain how to make a CNC plotter machine. The idea is so simple since you will control only 3 engines to create a double axis plan, 1 engine for each axis, and then you will draw your design in the created plan using the 3rd engine. About the engines, we will use 2 stepper motors, and for the drawing axis, you will use a servo motor for an on and off actions. About the control of our machine, we will use an Arduino Nano and for sure some drivers for the stepper motors. In our case, we will use the L293H bridge motor driver. We connect all these parts together to create this circuit diagram. So let's start tinkering. First verse, from where to get the stepper motors? Well, easy, just grab an old DVD driver like this one. I've got 2 for $2. Then all what you need to do is disassemble it to extract the stepper motor and its support. As I said, we will need 2 of them. After that, I designed these 3 parts using SolidWorks software. These parts will help us to assemble the DVD readers together. I've got the DXF files of these parts, and with the help of my friends in FabLab Tunisia, I've got the designed parts produced using a CNC laser cutting machine. Yet another design, which is the drawing pen holder, I got it through a 3D printing process. And you can find in the description down below all the related links for download. We've prepared the mechanical parts. Now we move to the electronic side of our project. I create this schematic where I placed all the necessary components that I need for this project, and then I transformed this schematic into a PCB design. All what I should do now is place an order to get my circuit ready. The best place to buy such a thing is for sure JLCPCB. Through some simple clicks, you can upload the appropriate gerbil file for the designed circuit and then adjust some parameters like PCB thickness and color, and the last step is the payment. 3 days for the produce and delivery, and I've got the PCBs in my hands. With this pen as a gift, it could be useful in our project. The boards look awesome with all the labels and the logos out there, and for sure it will add a better appearance for our project. We have everything in our hands. Now let's review the needed parts. We will use the PCB that we've ordered from JLCPCB, an Arduino Nano, L293H bridge driver, IC sockets, seal and screw header connectors, 1 servo motor, 2 DVD readers, the 3D printed parts, the laser cutted parts, the pen that we've got as a gift from JLCPCB. I told you it will be useful. Some screw for the assembly. We move now to the soldering assembly of the electronic parts. As usual, you will find in the top silk layer a label of each component indicating its placement on the board, and this way you will be 100% sure that you will not make any soldering mistakes. After soldering the electronic components, we should make our DVD reader ready for the assembly too. This is why we should solder some wires to the engine's coils, so we should identify the coil ends first. We measure the resistance between the 4 connectors, and for each coil it will be about 10 ohm measured. Once identified, we solder the wires and we screw the DVD reader to the X-axis plate. We do the same for our circuit board and we connect the stepper motor to its screw header. I tested the motor using a simple code, and as you see, the stepper moves fine and we are on the right path. We continue the assembly of our extractor by screwing the second stepper motor to the Y-axis plate. We prepare the pen holder by placing a small axe into a spring to hold the 3D printed pen holder, and then we screw the servo motor to its placement. The pen holder is ready, so we stick it to the carriage of the Y-axis. Then we stick our active plate to the carriage of the X-axis. And we finish with the screwing of the engine's wires to them connectors on the board. After some arrangement, we have our mechanical design ready for the action. Moving to the software part, we will combine 3 softwares in order to turn this machine alive. We will make our design using Inkscape software that produces a Gcode file needed for our machine, and for sure, in order to understand the Gcode instructions, the machine should have its own code that will be uploaded using Arduino IDE software. The last part is how to link the machine's code to the Gcode file. This is easy since it's performed by software called processing. The first step is uploading this sketch that you can download from the link in the description of this video. Then we move to Inkscape and we adjust some parameters like the paper frames and units. We prepare our design and save it on MakerBot Unicom format. If this format is not available on your Inkscape version, you place an add-on to have it. Then you set these parameters this way, and you have your Gcode file. Moving to processing software, it's a bit like the Arduino IDE, so you should open the CNC program file and just run it. A second window will appear. You need to press the letter P in your keyboard to select the COM port of your machine. And press the letter G to select the desired Gcode file. Once you select it, the machine will directly start drawing. I've chosen this design to test the performance of my extractor, so let's move to see it. And here we are, The machine starts drawing, and I really like it, the LED flickering that shows the sequences sent to each stepper motor. The design is very well done, and you can see, guys, the project is amazing and easy to make as well. Don't forget to watch our previous project, which is how to make your own Arduino training platform, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos. One last thing, make sure that you are doing electronics every day. It was BNB from Megadas. See you next time.